Welcome to Sessions on Python Tutorials, where we break down Python programming in the simplest way. I'm your host, and today we are featuring a seasoned professor and practitioner who will help us explore sorting of tuples. From storing data to performing calculations, these are the building blocks of every Python program. Stay tuned and watch till the end for clear explanations and practical insights to level up your coding skills. Master AI effortlessly with our channel, covering Python, free AI tools, data engineering, generative AI, cloud fundamentals, and more, perfect for beginners, researchers, academics, and professionals. Subscribe now, hit like, and share with your friends and colleagues to stay ahead in the AI revolution.
If you remember, that tuple is something which is immutable, unlike the list, and in tuple we are having certain values which may be unsorted, so we may need to sort that. If I am declaring a tuple here as t and declaring the values like 10, 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, then 12, then 15, like this, and would like to see what are the values that have been incorporated in it, and then would really like to sort it, then sorted underscore t equals to sorted t. Okay, and then print. What I need to print? I need to print the sorted value. So how do I get the sorted value? Once I am printing the sorted value, sorted t underscore t, I'm supposed to get the sorted value. Hit run, and here is the output for you. Now there can be a scenario when people would like to sort it based on the absolute value. What do we understand by absolute value? Absolute value means when the values are considered irrespective of their signs in front of them. So it is having a positive sign, it is having a negative sign, but since it is having a negative sign, its value, although 50 is greater than 10, but then 50 is in the first place, because of the fact minus 50 is much lesser than 10 or 12, right? So we would like to sort it based on the absolute values, which means we will not consider the signs, and 50 must go after 10. So to do that, what we need to do, there is a small trick for doing this. Here I am copying and pasting the same code, and here sorted t I have written within this function. Within this variable is declared for sorting the tuple t, and then here within the function sorted, what I need to do, I would just provide one argument which says key equal to absolute, right? And once done this particular operation, once it is done, sorted t, let's change the name of the variable as well, absolute sorted t abs. Let us hit run and see what's the result. As you can see here that the result has now been changed, and it is being sorted in terms of values which do not consider any sign. That means it is sorted in terms of absolute values. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on sorting the tuple.
If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and share it with others who might benefit. Explore the description for a link to our Udemy course, where you'll learn techniques to use generative AI to automate your daily tasks. Also, check out this YouTube channel for more videos covering Python, data engineering, ETL, cloud computing, generative AI, and much more. See you in the next video.